Okay, Porter, go ahead. Well, guys, that's it for the riding season. Wow. It is November 13th. And well, you know what that means. It means winter tire time. So this year, we are running the Blizzak LM001s. In previous years in the Golf R, I ran the WS80s and the LM-32s. It appears that the WS80s are still around. Those are more of a touring tire. The LM-32s appear to be retired. So the LM001 seems to be the new style. Non-studded tire. Nice patterns. I really like the angle of the rain sips here. And you've got a really nice, just flexible tread, obviously, with the good teeth. And then you've got some cutters here on the side for extra traction. Nice design, though. And then you get your solid channels here, which is good. So, an aggressive winter tire, basically. So still low profile, but with everything you need for winter traction. And then I'm mounting them again to the Avanti Hybris. 17 by 7.5s, I think. My winter wheels, they're $150 a pop, very, very cheap. But they're meant to be cheap. They're meant to be beat up, painted instead of polished. So or clear coated. Painted wheels hold up better against salt. Clear coated tends to get eaten away by the sodium. So painted is always better. Black, just because they have the cheapest thing I can get. And then you get this really nice beefy sidewall that covers them up pretty well against curb rash. So yeah. Can get those bad boys on.